Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Notion. This integration is incredibly useful for syncing your project management tasks with your workspace documentation, keeping everything connected in one seamless workflow. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Asana workspace. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile photo or initials. Click on it to open up a menu with various account options. This is your gateway to accessing all the settings and configurations for your Asana account. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area where you can manage your account preferences, notifications, and most importantly for our purpose today, your app integrations. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Apps tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to connecting Asana with external tools and platforms. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Authorized Apps or App Integrations. This area displays all the apps currently connected to your Asana account and gives you the option to add new ones. Look for a button that says Add App or Discover New Apps. Click on it to view the full library of available integrations. In the list of available apps, find and select Notion. You might need to use the search function if the list is extensive, but Notion should be fairly easy to locate. Once you've found it, click Install Notion for Asana. This action will automatically redirect you to your Notion settings page, which is where you'll complete the connection from the Notion side. In your Notion settings, click See All to expand the full list of integrations, then locate Asana from the options. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection, so click Allow for the permissions. This step might take a moment as Asana and Notion communicate with each other to establish the integration securely. Follow any on-screen instructions that appear to complete the setup. You may be asked to select specific Notion pages or databases you want to integrate with your Asana projects. Take your time here to choose the right workspaces that make sense for your workflow. Once you've gone through all the authorization steps, your integration is complete and Asana is now connected with Notion. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.